In today's video, we will take a look at how to go straight through a roundabout. Please note that these videos are only for your information and to improve your knowledge of the road. You must practice with your driving school instructor during your road practice classes. You can clearly see the traffic on the road. Here, you can see a car. This driver is taking the RTA final road test. First, you need to join this lane. Make sure you stop your car with a safe distance. If you stop too close, it will be counted as a mistake. Look at this car in the lane. It is blocking the road, so you should stop. Turn on your hazard lights and give way. Pay attention to the pedestrian crossing. Here, you can see the roundabout sign. Here, you have three options: straight, left, and U-turn. You can see that this student has turned on the right indicator. Is it correct? Tell me in the comments below. Do not apply unnecessary brakes. Stop properly once, wait for a safe gap, and then enter the roundabout. Do not touch this solid line. You want to go straight, turn on your right indicator here before exiting the roundabout. Since you want to go straight, use the right lane to exit the roundabout. Pedestrian crossing ahead. The speed limit is 40 kilometers per hour. Pay attention to these road signs. Maintain a safe following distance. Do not touch this line. If you are a student taking road practice classes, pay close attention to these points and make sure you correct them during your practice sessions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.